You said the car always starts after a few tries, but it seems to be getting worse. Well, it may be the starter that needs to be replaced. Is it the original starter? So you've owned the car for 5 years and have never replaced the starter? Well, I think you should make an appointment to bring it in, and we will do a diagnostic test on the electronics to figure out what the problem is. Yes, we do have a car we can loan out, but it is already booked out for 2 weeks as of now. We also have a shuttle service you can use if you need to be dropped off at work after you bring the car in. What address would you be going to? Yes, Northview Electric Company on Arcadia Parkway is within our car service location. It is complimentary. We do not charge for the car service, but most people offer a tip to the driver for the ride.